All right, Landry here with the Utah Airguns Workshop. Today we're going to talk about FX no limit rings, the purpose of them, and how to get them set up. These are going to be beneficial if you're having a hard time running out of elevation on your scope at closer distances, but you're also able to add some MOA into the system so that you can make those longer shots when necessary. Okay, what you're going to need to do the job is a torque wrench, a gun, obviously, the FX no limits, and a scope of choice. And so what we're looking for is getting the scope rings torqued down into the scope. And now we're going to be able to lift up the rear of the scope to add some MOA into that. Once you get your elevation in the rear where you want it, take your torque wrench, and we're going to torque those cross bolts to 45 inch-pounds. Torque the rear one first, and now we'll follow up with the front one. As you can see, we've got a little gap in the rear and no gap in the front. That's adding the inclination to be able to dial up for all your further shots. A couple of things to keep in mind is your bell clearance to your barrel. Make sure you're not going to touch that when you're adding anything. And also keeping all your torque specs. So now that you got that adjustment done, you're ready to make those long shots with this gun. Hit us up if you have any questions, comment below. Hit up our tutorial channel for any other videos that you might need.